Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. All Motor Rob here. Today I want to show you guys a couple of goodies that I picked up for the Civic, so stay tuned. So the last couple of weeks, I've been grinding away, working, accumulating parts. I'm going to show you guys here. We're on the way to the storage now, but I'm going to show you guys all the parts I've been accumulating to throw on the car. So hope you guys enjoy. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see that. So before we get into the meat and potatoes, I just want to show you guys real quick. I purchased a whole bunch of oil. Okay. Now the Civic has fresh oil in it, so it's ready for the dyno, ready for the break-in on the dyno. So after the break-in, swap the oil out, and this is the oil that I run in the car here. AutoZone's got it, so I've got enough for like 3 oil changes here. I've got plenty of oil filters. This is the cheap ones because I really don't plan on putting miles on this car. You guys already know. So a couple of runs, whatever, swap the oil. And I got some oil for the daily and picked up a fire extinguisher. It's my other one. I guess the pressure is gone in it. It's expired. These are the skinnies. Going on the back, Mickey Thompson's. I'll show you guys the size here. These are 24 inches tall by 4.5 wide, and they're going on a 15-inch rim. Look, we got ourselves a new race harness because my other one is expired. 5-point harness, guys. We're good. Put that over there. Also, finally got a Kirky seat cover. Finally. So, haven't even opened this thing up. Probably gonna put it on the car today, guys. That Kirky seat, I mean, it's comfortable, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I have some exercise padding in it, and it's very comfortable. But this piece right here, getting in and out, the back of your thighs get caught on this. It always rubs, and man, does that get old. I'm telling you right now. I hate getting in this car because of this right here. I mean, it's strong and everything, but now, man, it's hard getting in. Maybe when I put the roll bar in, the door bars will be easier for me to kind of slide over, and especially because I'm going to put padding on them. But it's very uncomfortable sliding over this hump. But when you're in the seat, it's very comfortable. You guys would be surprised at an aluminum seat being as comfortable as it is. I used to daily drive with this seat, and I had no problems with this. Okay, but that seat cover is definitely going to do me justice. Good padding in there, and the important thing is, you know, God forbid if there's ever an accident, you know, you don't want to be slamming around on hard metal. Okay, so the padding will help absorb up a lot of that energy. So I'm gonna get my tripod set up, and we're gonna bust open those boxes so that way you guys can see what's in them. I always forget which side the blade's on. This off. Look at these. Now this is a 13 by 9, and these things are light, man. I'm telling you, maybe 10 pounds. maybe definitely around 10 pounds. But yeah, these are the VMS revolvers. Forgot what the offset is on these. But look at that, look at the offset. Come on. So I got some Mickey Thompson 24.5 by 9 by 13s that will be in on Wednesday. So I'll be picking those up on Wednesday. Getting these mounted up with the tires. A big shout out to Luke. So these are the skinnies. I got a full set, obviously. We riding out in style. So yeah, so these are 15 by 3.5. And these are going to go in the rear of the car, obviously, for those of you that don't really know. Now you know. Also VMS wheels. Man, these things are gorgeous. Guys, these things are going to look crazy on the car. I can't wait to get them mounted up and put on the car to see how they look. I mean, all right guys, it's been about 2 hours. Finally finished moving all the stuff around. Did the little game of Tetris. So I got all my tires. I got 4 tires up top and a bunch of other stuff that I don't really use. But I got all of this cleared out for when I want to store my slicks and everything. And even the other tires that's on the car, if I want to store them, I got plenty of room now. I got 2 big slots here. You guys can see 2 skinnies is only taking up that much room, so not a lot. So I might even be able to get all 4 of them just in one shelf, so that still gives me extra space up there for anything else around here. So now that that's done, I think what I'm going to do next, before I do my oil change on the daily, which I'm not going to record, I think I'm going to put this here seat cover in and test that out. So stay tuned. Oh, also I reorganized all my stuff on my shelves. I cleaned the walls. I cleaned down here because down in these like gutter things, I spilled some track bite in there a while ago and just never cleaned it up. So spent some time today to get that all straightened out. And then I put all my oil here. This is all that VR1 oil. High zinc, guys. Zinc is good. So I put all that VR1 over here. I got enough. If I get 2 more bottles, 2, maybe 3 max, I have enough for 4 oil changes here. So that's just with the VR1. This is going in the daily driver today. So everything's nice and organized. You know, I feel blessed to be able to do this type of stuff here at a storage unit, okay? And it seems like it's a pretty common thing around here, or at least here in this particular place, because all the other units down here all have cars in them. Like this unit here, right next to me, had some race car parts in it. The next unit over, the guy's got a race car in there, but it's like an oval, you know, for like track racing, for like oval racing. There's a guy down at the other side, a little bit farther down. He's got a motorcycle that he's always working on, you know. He's got his little toolbox and everything. So I feel blessed to be able to do this here because, you know, I rent an apartment and I cannot keep this car there. It would get stolen, it would get damaged, blah, blah, blah. Y'all already know the deal. So I'm grateful that I can do this type of stuff here. And yes, it's not like a ton of space, but it's enough space for me to do what I got to do. You guys have seen over the last year or two how much work I was able to get done here. Yeah, it's not super spacious or anything by any means, but it'll get the job done, okay? So just use what you got, make the best of it. So you guys see here, this is my setup. I've done work in the car, in here. If I need more space, I just push the car out. No big deal. You know, I always make sure I'm clean. If I'm doing any type of fluids or anything, I always put a tarp underneath the car. And I'm extra cautious with that because I don't want to give anybody any reasons to complain about anything. So you guys, if anybody else is interested in doing something similar to this, guys, it works, man. It really does work. Padding feels really good. Tight fit. A little bit loose right here, just a little bit. I think that's probably just because of the way it's packaged. Probably flatten out as time goes on. I'm gonna try to get in it. Oh wow. Feels like a new seat. Feels like a new seat, guys. Man, like, I don't know if you can see, there's like a hump right here between your legs. Man, that feels like really good. It's like good support. Yeah, I can only imagine being harnessed in how this is gonna feel. Wow. What a difference. Well worth the money. Man, this feels great. And it didn't even hurt me getting out over this hump here because now it's all covered up. So definitely worth it, guys. Definitely worth it. I mean, this foam, look how thick this foam is. That's like 3 inches right there. Show you guys the support, how it kind of like goes up, it curves, so it sits between your legs. Very nice. So your legs kind of just sink into these areas there. So guys, I think that's gonna do it for today as far as video wise. So I think next video I'm gonna be posting, I'll be doing the spark plugs and everything like that, probably throw on the slicks once I get all of those mounted up from Luke. But yeah, that's gonna do it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.